Welcome to Real Estate Investment Management Brokerage Development LLC Safety Equipment for working up high with ladders. Now, one of the things we found is for us to use safety equipment and to be able to work practically and quickly, we use climbing equipment like this helmet. This is a light climbing equipment helmet. And then we use these ropes. This is a climbing equipment rope. This is another climbing equipment rope. And then we use a harness. This is a $650 or $600 harness I have on. And then I use a motorcycle protector to protect my back and spine. Because I figure if I fall and I fall on my back, it's a similar type of accident compared to if you're riding a motorcycle. So this pad protects that. Now, if you're a worker, you're going to go up and down the ladder lots of times every day, and you want something that you can work with. And we found some things, they're just not practical to work with. They may work, but you can't work with them. If you can't go up and down the ladder and get in and out of them quickly and have it quickly fall and protect you, it's not useful. So we investigated 3 different types of clips that clip into our harness. Here, this is a clip on my harness. And then into the rope. Now, the first one we thought to use was this one. It's pretty popular. Let me show you. If you're a climber, you might be familiar with this. This is a gree-gree. And what's good about this is you can take the rope and you could feed this into the rope. So, for instance, this rope goes way down there. And I don't want to have to pull up the bottom of the rope to feed it in. In this, I don't have to. I can simply insert this, a rope, into the gree-gree, like this. And I can close it off, and then I can hook onto it. Now, this has its limitations. I was using one of these gree-grees, and I had it hooked in, and I started to fall, and it didn't connect till I hit the ground. It didn't stop the fall till I hit the ground. What's good is you can connect halfway onto the rope, like I showed you, and if you have a fall event and it stops you, you can rappel down. Right? So if you're halfway on the rope, you didn't fall, that's great, but you can't just be stuck there alone, or you could have an event. You could die from just waiting there. So we didn't like this. It stopped me once from falling, and then the second time I hit the ground before it activated. So broke a couple ribs, didn't like that. So what I wanted was something that stopped the fall right away. So I used this device here. Now you have to thread this through the rope from the beginning of the rope. So you have to find the bottom of the rope and then thread this through, and then you hook your clip like this onto this, and then it would stop me. But the problem was with this, you couldn't hook on midway. So the gree-gree I didn't like because it didn't arrest the fall right away. This one, I don't know what it's called, NTR, whatever that means. It stopped the fall right away, but you had to thread it from the bottom of the rope, and you're stuck. You know, if you're up 30 feet and you fall to 15 feet, you're just stuck there. You can't rappel down. So it had its limitations. Now this one This one is a clip I use. It's branded, this says Comnal, but I think it's branded, the same clip is branded a bunch of different ways. But this is why I like this. You can attach it halfway up the rope, and, well, I just have one hook, but because it opens up, you can attach it halfway up the rope. So this one is attached. So look at that. Now if you start to fall, it immediately arrests you. I think it's called, and that's what you're looking for. You want to stop the fall immediately. You don't want to have to fall 10 or 20 feet before it finally kicks in, like our experience with this was. So this will stop you right away. But the thing is, if you fall, or if it stops you and you're 20 feet up, you can't rappel down. So you're going to have to, like I carry a cell phone, you're going to have to make a loop in the rope and maneuver out of this. But the good thing about this, look, I can work really easily. You know, I gotta paint or have a nail applicator, and I can move up and down the ladder, and if I'm not holding on and I fall, it'll stop me right away. Now this device here, this is a swivel. If you're working, if you're doing a lot of work and twisting, you should add one of these. It's a swivel. It's rated for 5,000 pounds. So add it so you have your carabiner, swivel, another carabiner, and then your clip to hold you in. And then you get yourself a good harness. This is a really good harness to attach to. Now, why don't I mention this? These carabiners, you can buy different ones, but these carabiners, look, I'll go like that, and it puts into place and it locks automatically. You can buy lower price models like this one. It doesn't lock, but this one, you twist, open it up. If you let go, it's gonna lock and twist into place lock. So our recommendation is to spend the extra money on that. So safety while working up high at heights, we recommend you get yourself a good harness, a motorcycle protection for your front and back in case you fall on your back. And we recommend you have a safety clip, use rated ropes, climbing ropes. I think this rope might be rated for 5,000 pounds. And we recommend you use safety clips and have your phone attached to you so you can call 911 wherever you are. And the last thing, we recommend you permanently embed rated fasteners to the house that you're working on for maintenance and construction. We hope this helps you with your safety, and we hope this helps you with your safety and protects you from a fall. Thank you.